Glamming Up, Sparkle with Language. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a fun and fashionable English phrase, glam up. Whether you've come across it in magazines, movies, or casual conversations, it's time to understand and use this phrase like a pro. Let's get started. Glam up is a phrasal verb that is derived from the word glamorous. To glam up means to make oneself or something look more attractive, usually for a special event. It often involves wearing more stylish or elaborate clothing, makeup, or accessories. Example 1, she decided to glam up for the party tonight. Example 2, the room looked plain, so we decided to glam it up with some colorful decorations. Although glam up is often associated with personal appearance, it can also be used in different contexts. 1. Events and places, making a location look more festive or appealing. 2. The team worked hard to glam up the venue for the annual gala. 3. Objects, making something look more attractive or fancy. 4. I bought some stickers to glam up my laptop. 5. Situations, elevating an ordinary situation by adding a touch of glamour. 6. Why don't we glam up our weekend plans and book a fancy restaurant? Knowing synonyms can help you better understand and use the phrase in various contexts. Some synonyms of glam up include dress up, spruce up, beautify, deck out. For instance, she wanted to deck out in her best dress for the event, conveys a similar meaning to she wanted to glam up in her best dress for the event. And that wraps up our journey into the glittering world of glam up. We hope you now feel confident in using this phrase in your conversations and writings. Remember, English is a vibrant language, and phrases like these add a touch of sparkle to it. Keep learning and keep glamming up your language skills.